Guys, I know a lot of people have trouble using Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Photoshop, and they want some online graphic designing software. So don't worry about it, just write Canva here and what you're gonna see next is the first option, Canva. And when you go to that website, and this is the online graphic designing platform where you can make a lot of things. There you can see these are the design that I have made so far, and you can see the designs are I am scrolling and they are keep coming. So these are the lifetime saved design that I have made so far, and I will show you how you can also make this in front of you is another proposal that I made. So mostly I use for YouTube thumbnails I use this blog banner now. So when you click it, it will go into the another tab, and this was the proposal I made. Just wanna show you all that how what are the benefit of this uh, terrific website, terrific online platform. So when I go to blog banner, and you can see I will make a YouTube thumbnail. I will make a design for you all, so you can get a lot of ideas. There you can see a lot of design. Most of them are free, some of them are not free, but most of them are very beautifully designed, and you just have to just write some things and upload some video. This is the upload option where you can upload pictures here, and then these are the templates, the main designs portion, and then these are elements. And what I'm gonna do next is right here Facebook, and when I hit enter, you will see all the designs related to Facebook will appear, and this one I want. And what I'm gonna do next is just drag it onto the moon, and you can see when you double click it, you will get the option of writing Facebook stories, saved history, video. So this was this Facebook. I was making a video about Facebook, so right now I'm making a thumbnail related to this. There you can write your email and subscribe to my channel and things like that, etc and etc. So this is the whole new design in front of you, and there are some photos related to whatever you want. When when you write things, it will appear the related photos, and then folders and text, whatever text. If you are if you want more text to be appeared on your pictures, to be appear on your design, you will add more headings and things like that. So this is the best experience of mine using this beautiful platform called as Canva, and I will highly recommend this for you all, and you will really enjoy things here. And there are tons of I was in the blog banner option, I was in the blog banner post, and when you go here, you will see proposals in social media, Facebook cover, and then Instagram, Facebook flyer. You can see the flyer option, and then Tumblr and US letter document, A4 document, letter, resume, yearbook, book cover, CD covers, and infographic, menu. You will see a lot of business card, a lot of option, and it will give you a lot of a lot good enormous experience, and you can you can play with your skills as well. So this is how things done. This is the most beautiful thing I have in my laptop, and I really enjoy working on this platform. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon with another video. Man, if you have any question regarding graphic designing, regarding online tech and whatever it is, do comment below on in this video, and I will be making new stuff for people who are keep on messaging me, keep on texting me, keep on commenting on videos. I will definitely do all the stuff. Thank you. Bye.